And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their seamless women's underwear. These are completely seamless women's underwear. As you can see, they have like no real seams on them. They are kind of thong-ish, but you get a lot of pair here. Look at all these. Wow. As for the medium in size, they're 84% nylon and 16% spandex for the main material, and the crotch is 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Wow, so it's actually different materials. You can kind of see the difference there. Wow. But these are great for like dresses. Basically, you know, it wouldn't show a line for underwear if you were wearing these seamless ones. So many colors here. I'm trying to lay out all the colors. You get 2 blacks. Nice. I think my wife's gonna love these. So all in all, we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 pair here. I'm gonna have my wife put some of these on with a dress, kind of show you exactly how these would work versus a regular pair of underwear. So this is what the dress would look like if you did not have these seamless underwear. You see from here, see how you can see the outline of her underwear? Now, let me have her put on the seamless underwear. And then here's what it looks like with the seamless underwear. Thanks again to the company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.